Welcome, future entrepreneurs. Setting up an e-commerce business might seem daunting, but with the right guide, it's a breeze. Today, we'll journey through 3 vital phases: store setup, product selection, and effective marketing. Let's commence with phase 1, store setup. Step 1. Signing up. Head over to Shopify's homepage. Click Start Free Trial. Here, you'll enter your email, set a password, and name your store. Remember, the name sets the tone for your brand. Step 2. Designing your store. Now, aesthetics. Your design should echo your brand's ethos. Browse through free and premium themes. After selecting one, dive into customization. Adjust colors, banners, and layout to create that alluring first impression. Step 3. Store settings. Before adding products, ensure your store's backbone is solid. Define payment gateways. Shopify supports a variety from PayPal to Stripe. Fine-tune your checkout process for user ease and set up shipping rates, be it flat rate, weight-based, or location-based. Phase 2 beckons. Product selection. Step 1. Choosing a dropshipping app, not stocking products yourself. No problem. Dropshipping apps link you to suppliers. Oberlo, for instance, seamlessly integrates with Shopify, granting access to thousands of products. Step 2. Adding products. Once connected, it's shopping time, but for your store. Add products that resonate with your brand. Adjust titles for clarity, craft compelling descriptions, and set competitive prices. Our final destination, phase 3, marketing. Step 1. Identifying your audience. Knowing your audience is marketing 101. Develop detailed personas. Understand their habits, preferences, and pain points. This clarity aids every subsequent marketing move. Step 2. Email marketing. Email isn't old school, it's classic. Platforms like Klaviyo or Shopify's inbuilt features allow segmentation, targeting, and automation. Keep subscribers engaged with regular updates and irresistible offers. Step 3. Social media advertising. Social media is where conversations happen, and your product should be a part of it. Invest in Facebook and Instagram ads, targeting your audience personas with precision. Step 4. SEO, and let's not forget organic traffic. With the right keywords and high-quality content, make your store easily discoverable on search engines. From setting up the foundation, curating a product list, to launching impactful marketing campaigns, we've charted the roadmap to e-commerce glory. Remember, the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Persist, iterate, and innovate. Until next time, here's to your online success. For more tutorials and insights, hit that subscribe button and join our entrepreneurial community. Happy selling!